I was joyfully and happily returning home from work. Oh, I was just kidding. I was sad and tired as fuck when I returned home, so I kept walking slowly and slowly, and when I entered my house, I saw a package from UPS or UPS or whatever the fuck you call it. I was not the one to receive the package because I was at work and my neighbor collected the package for me. My play button was shipped by two couriers. One is UPS and another is DTDC. I think DTDC handled it from Guwahati to Imphal, but someone from UPS or DTDC tried to open my box. Look, it's torn over here, and look at this side too. And then I happened to peep over here, and you can see that it's broken. Like my play button is literally broken. But I think someone tried to see what's inside the box and tried to steal it, so that's why they tore this shit off. And I was so heartbroken, and I cried for about 10 minutes. This hurts more than my ex cheating on me. Then I went out for a drive. I ate a burger. Let's unbox it together, alright? Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are on the part. This was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Please contact. Okay, if your award was damaged during shipping or if you have any questions, please contact YouTube. Here it is, my play button, my silver play button, and it's broken. It's broken. Look, it's literally broken. I cannot use it. I cannot hang it up. I cannot hang it on the wall. It's broken. Look. My mother always wanted the silver play button. She does not care about the gold play button or the diamond play button. She wants her son to receive this silver play button, and I think my mom's heart will be more broken. Look at this shit, bro. Like, what the fuck? First of all, thank you everyone that supported me throughout my journey, and since the beginning there are people who still stick by me, stick by my channel. I thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. The thing is, when I reached 100k subscribers, look, I was supposed to receive a code for redeeming my silver play button, but I did not get it. I waited for about almost a month, and then I already saw that Chetan Diary received his play button, and I was waiting for YouTube to send me the email for my redemption code. Still I haven't got it, so I reached out to YouTube creator support team, and they really helped me out. I contacted to one of their guys, I think his name was Ralph, and I told him about my situation. I already reached like 113,000 subscribers when I asked for help, and then he reached out to me really quickly. He sent me a mail that my redemption code will be generated within a couple of days. Well, he only took like 1 or 2 days. He was very fast and helped me out really good. Thank you YouTube about that. And then I received the code. I filled out all the mandatory things, then I sent it, and they sent me 2 mails confirming about my play button and all. I was waiting. I received a mail from UPS on October 16 or 17, I forgot, and they told me that I will receive this silver play button on the 18th of October. And I called up telling them that I still haven't got my package, and they told me to write a mail. I wrote it, and then I got it today just to find out. What the, man. What sucks for me is that I haven't had a proper sleep in about 2.5 years. Nobody gives a shit, but still I work each and every single night after work just to get a broken play button. I just want a play button. I know my mom will cry when she sees this broken play button. But I got a card here that says that if your award was damaged during shipping, or if you have any question, please contact us at youtubecreatorsocieetyawards.com. I will reach out to them and hopefully ask for a new one, or I don't know, I think I'll keep this one. And a lot of my subscribers be asking me why I haven't sold my play button, because I haven't got it. I got it only today. And shit is broken. Well, fuck my life.